Hey everyone, this is Ankit Madhan. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. So let's get started. Now in this particular video, I'll be discussing about today's news which was made by Flipkart regarding entering into retail industry, which means there's going to be a cutthroat competition between Flipkart and Reliance JioMart. So let's figure it out what the scenario is all about. Now today there were two major announcements which was made by Flipkart. The first one is which I already told you about, the entering into retail store, and the another one is about acquisition of Walmart India. Yes, they are acquiring 100% stake in Walmart India. And you know what is the purpose of these two announcements was basically to transform Indian retail ecosystem, to convert them into a formalized structure. And figuring it out about the competitors, the competitors are Udaan, Metro Cash, Carry and Amazon B2B. But as I already mentioned in the video that there is going to be a cutthroat competition between JioMart and Flipkart. So let's figure it out what their scenario is all about. Now JioMart's strategy. See, basically during this pandemic situation, what they are doing it is that, you know, if someone wants to order from JioMart, what they need to do is they need to get themselves registered, and they will be getting a link. They just need to fill out the details which are required about the products and the groceries, and their stuff will be available at their doorstep. Now this is just a blink of the strategy which is being adopted by JioMart, and that is why I am claiming that there is going to be a cutthroat competition. But here comes the bigger cake. See this one. This is the today's news which probably say this thing that Amazon gonna buy 9.9% stake in Ambani's retail, which ultimately gonna say, we can say that there is gonna be a cutthroat competition in the market, and probably this retail store will be launched probably in the first week of August. I don't remember the exact thing, but yes, according to the statistics, there is the chances that it will be started in first week of August. Now this ultimately implies that the share market is going to rise. So if someone is looking for investment, they can easily go for that. And so this was all about the news, and let's see what the scenario is all about as we roll on with the punches, and let's see who gains the market share. Till then, stay tuned, goodbye, and let's grow together. Thank you so much.